Hey guys, this is Harshala and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your brows at home. This is a very easy, very काम चलाओ जुगाड़ू sort of a method, something that you can easily do at home. If that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that you want to do is comb your brows and sort of look into the mirror and decide the shape that you want to go for. Now a lot of people also like to draw sort of like an outline and work their way. If you want, you can do that, but I just like eyeball it. Once I've decided my shape, I take my plucker and go in and sort of like start plucking the extra hair. Be very careful when you're doing this because you really don't want to over pluck your brows. Trust me, it's extremely easy to get carried away and over pluck. It's like the last thing that you want, like to over pluck your brows. Also, while you're at it, make sure that you're plucking in the direction of your hair growth. That way it will hurt a lot lesser. I don't really like to go extremely close to my brow shape. I'll only and only get rid of my extra hair. Later on, I will be anyway using a razor, and I think that gives me a better, like sort of a clean look. So I do that. Also, make sure when you're plucking, you pluck out the entire hair from its root. That is done, I take my spoolie and comb it up, but this time I'm going to be combing it upwards, and then take my cosmetic scissors and cut the extra and the long hair. Since I was doing my left eyebrow, it was difficult for me to use my right hand. Later on, I did try using my left hand, and that kind of gave me a lot of precision. And I think because I was struggling so much, I didn't realize and I just went out of the frame. All that I'm really doing is getting rid of the extra long hair, and yeah. Next up, I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor. Again, as I said, you can go ahead and use your facial razor as well. Just be very careful when you use that. And I'm just going to sort of clean it up. I'm coming close to my brows, but not so much as it is sharp and you don't really want to spoil your brow shape. Again, I'm just cleaning it up like so. And yeah, there you have it. Now if you ask me why one side has an arch and the other one is sort of round, is because that's just how my brows grow. Even when I go to my parlor wali auntie, she does the same. So it has always been like that. Anyway, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.